One day, a journalist in Israel, a very popular one, wrote for a full year articles slandering the Lubavitcher Rebbe. After a year, he realized he made a great mistake. He came to see the Rebbe, waiting by dollars, and then when he arrived, he told the Rebbe, please forgive me for offending you for everything I wrote against you. The Rebbe told him, you don't have to ask for forgiveness. I don't have time to get offended. What a way to look at things. We get offended by so many things. Why do we get offended? Because we are so focused on ourselves. We get offended because we are not busy enough. The Rebbe was indeed telling this gentleman, I'm too busy on my mission. I have a mission to transform the world. You think I have the luxury or the time to get offended? What is your mission? And are you fully involved in your mission? Are you giving value to the gifts and the mission that God gave you?